Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present the individual assignment 1 for real-time subject. So for the assignment, we must to read data from a table of the website wikipedia.org wiki Malaysia, and we must to convert and write the data from the table to the new Excel file. So we go through with the coding. So this is my coding. For read data, first I declare the list data table read data to for array to store the trivia information, and then I do the connection with Jacob. I use Jacob dependencies for connect the with the website http ms wikipedia. Okay, before that, for my dependencies, I use JUnit, JSON, and Apache POI. For JSON, is function for read the data from the HTML and or website, and for Apache POI is to convert the data to the Excel. So I use the JSON to connect the with the table Wikipedia in the website. So for the document selected, I want to use span NV headline hashtag trivia. This is for what we want to connect. So for my situation, I must to get the data from the trivia. Okay, I show you the data. Okay, this is all the data that I must to get. So how I get this data is, first I right click and go to inspect element. And it will show the table class Wikipedia. So I get this Wikipedia table to my coding, and I put it in the span MV headline Wikipedia. So for the element via trivia list is I choose the query tr align, th, and td. What is where I get the tr align, th, and td is also from the inspect. So this is a table. There are tr, th, and td. Tr is stand for the table row, which table row, and the th is table head that have the content of Ibu Negara, and TD have Kuala Lumpur. So I copy this TR, TH, and TD in my coding. Okay, after I get all the I call the information, so I create the new table list and info that I can pass it into the Excel. Okay, this is my right Excel, input class right Excel. So first I must to create the blank workbook and create the shell, which is the sheet name is trivia. So for the table info, this is how I call the how I connect from the read data and into the write data. So I call the information into the right Excel. So after I call, I create the sheet create row and create the cell and set the value of the info. info, how I get the table info is from my table. This is table class that will get and return the data. So this is a set cell for one cell number one that I set the info dot get this. Get info dot get this is I get it in from the table class. In this get list and get info. So I put it in my coding. For the I use a sheet auto size column, which is auto size column. It will auto size in my Excel based on the data that I put. Okay, after that it will create a new file name trivia.xlsx, and it Excel will write the information and close it. After that, this is some syntax for for open the Excel in the desktop. So for command Java, command is for global. So I use final integer sleep 3 second and string URL. Where I use for these two is in my read table, which is I use in this. So it can call the URL from the common class. Okay. This is for my public void main, which I call the my trade, and run the read data and set the sleep from 3 seconds, and I call the Excel and open the Excel. So I will try to run. Okay, it will read data from the HTML website, and this is all the information. First, it will print the title trivia that I call in my read data in this and show the information, and it open the Excel. Okay, this is all the information that I must to get it in the website. So I'm done. Okay, this is for my presentation. Thank you.